Matt here, and welcome to Mob Street. It is 6:55 in the morning. I got my son up here with me. We came out on the T-Dub. We're up on the mountainside right now, probably about 7,000 feet. It's December 4th, and we're supposed to get a storm coming in next week, which is probably gonna put some snow up here on the mountains. And I wanted to get one final sunrise ride in before it got too cold. So we've got our hot hands hand warmers right here, and we're gonna check out the sunrise. And just thought, you know what, why not bring you along with us? And we're just gonna have a good time now. When we left, it was 25 degrees, which is -4 degrees Celsius for all of our friends who use the metric system. And it's probably even colder than that up here on the hillside instead of being down in the valley. So, all right. Sun getting ready to come up over the eastern mountains over there. Always come prepared for the cold weather. Apple cider in the keg. One for you. This is Dad's apple cider. Mountain Ops. We interrupt your regular broadcast for a message from our sponsors. Mountain Ops, Ignite, apple cider, warm on a nice cold morning like this. If you haven't tried it, try it. The link is in the description. You know you want to, because it'll make you absolutely rugged, just like these mountains, just like this TW, just like I am. Back to your regular program. Here's mine. Look at all that steam. Wowzers. Warmed up yet? I wanted to come up to see the sunrise over here. But what's crazy is looking behind us over there at those colors with the snow-capped mountain there. Holy cow. Just the pinks and the oranges and just like the color like right there. I was not expecting that at all. All right, quick update. It is 7:45. We left the house at like 6:10 to get up here. And we're gonna have to head back as soon as the sun comes up because we got a baptism to B2. But look at that. Oh, it's just starting to come up. That is what we came for. Right there. You cannot beat that. 7:43 in the morning. Perfect. Okay, you ready? Ooh, my seat's frozen. It's gonna be cold on the backside. What are you laughing at? Something funny? Huh? Go pee one more time? Should have done that before you got all your gear on. Don't pee on your gloves. Even the bike got cold.